This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at a platform and its native token, which launched initially just a little over 2 years ago, has already stormed into the top 50, and as of late has shown no signs at all of slowing down. The platform that I speak of is Lido, and its native token is Lido DAO. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, which is the thumbs up icon that you see directly beneath the video. It helps to share our video with others like yourself who are new to crypto and who want to gain a fundamental knowledge and understanding as to what's going on so they can start making money today. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button, which ensures that you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes of CryptoKernels. Now, right here, what I'm going to show you, this is the LidoFi platform, okay? I'll also leave a link to it in the description of this video. Now, as you can see here, first of all, what is Lido? It is a liquid staking solution for Ethereum. Lido lets users stake their Ethereum with no minimum deposits or maintaining of infrastructure. Okay, now we look here, we can see the networks. It supports Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, Kusama, Matic. Okay, now we see here node operators. We've been talking a lot about node operators the last few episodes. I hope you've been taking notes. And even here, if you want to apply to be a node operator on the Lido network, you can do so. Okay, which is why I'll leave the link in the description. And then you can go here, you see governance, which is basically being able to vote on different upgrades and improvements or rule changes or anything to do with the protocol. You have a say-so and voting power as long as you own Lido tokens. Okay. Now, if we go down here, we can see that currently, as of today, there's over $9 billion in liquidity staked on this platform. Okay. And we can see here total rewards paid. And then we can see here the number of stakers currently. 280,000. Supported networks right here. Now, Lido was launched. The staking app was launched December the 19th of 2020 with 1 billion LDO tokens created at Genesis. All right. And then down here, showing us how Lido works. Step 1, stake. Step 2, receive ST token. Step 3, using DeFi. Okay. You really must. I'm going to be making more videos on Patreon. They will not be here on YouTube. That will go much more into this, and I'll share with you some of the things that I'm doing myself currently to make money. And then right here, we can see the growing Lido ecosystem, which includes Ledger and MetaMask security, wink, wink. Then down here, we can see validators. Now, the founders of Lido, first of all, remember, they don't have an initial founder that's like at the forefront, but members include Somatic Venture Capital, Verify Capital, Liberatus Capital, Terabit Scale Capital, and then you see here the social networking platforms that they're on. Now here, as of today, Sunday, February 26th, the current price per Lido token is $3.15. It's actually up 12% in the last 24 hours. And we can see here the 24-hour low was 272 and the high is 316. Its current market cap is $2.6 billion with a B. And that is verified through CoinMarketCap. We can also see here the volume traded in the last 24 hours, right at $250 million. And then also we can see here their circulating supply, 846 million, which is 85%. And that's verified through CoinMarketCap. And then down here, we can see the total supply, which is 1 billion Lido tokens. So we're at 85% of available tokens are currently in investor hands. And if we go here, we can see, I'm going to show you something else here. Over the last month, no, that's not what I want to show you. Over the last 3 months, you can see the low on right before Christmas was 87 cents per token. Now in the last week, it's up 4%. Over the last month, it's up 30%. And over the last 3 months, it's actually up 193%. I know this looks wacky, but it's 2x in the last, because it was under $1 December the 18th. So it's just showing you how explosive its growth has been, not just during the holiday season, but into the new year. Okay. And we can see there on January the 6th, its price. Now, this article I'm going to share with you is from CoinDesk, and it was written by Lila Lesmra on February the 15th last week. And it says Lido's DAO governance token LDO jumps on treasury proposal. The largest Ethereum staking service provider, DAO, has issued a vote over what it should do with its $30 million worth of Ethereum. The largest Ethereum staking service. Let that set in. The largest. This has been out barely 2 years. Okay, now there's something else I want to share with you here. LDO, the governance token of the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO, behind liquid staking system Lido, has gained 10% on the day after it submitted a proposal on Tuesday over whether it should sell or stake the $30 million in Ether from its treasury. The proposal was submitted by Lido DAO's financial unit, Stakehouse Financial, and considers 4 treasury-related proposals, including whether the DAO should sell or stake the 20,000 Ethereum worth about 30 million it holds in its treasury, diversified stablecoin holdings, and sell its protocol surplus of stake Ether to finance operating expenses. Okay. The token was up 18% early Wednesday and has since retreated to around 10% higher on the day. LDO has gained 30% in a month and witnessed a rally late last week after the news that the US-based crypto exchange Kraken had settled with the Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC, to sunset its crypto staking service in the US. Okay. We've been talking quite a bit about the SEC lately. Ethereum staking is the process of locking up an amount of Ethereum for a specified period of time in order to contribute to the security of the blockchain and earn network rewards. Lido DAO enables non-custodial staking, which means users can stake their locked Ethereum into other protocols. Lido DAO has the highest total value locked of all decentralized finance protocols. Wow. According to DeFi Llama, ahead of MakerDAO and Curve Finance. It has some 8.4 billion of staked Ether on this platform, and I just showed you that a few minutes ago. The DAO also had a proposal submitted on Wednesday for approval for the authority to donate up to a maximum ceiling of $22 million to a grants association for use in a token reward plan, or TRP, a framework that will distribute voting LDO tokens spread over a period of up to 4 years to DAO contributors. Wow, it seems like they're really thinking long term here. Now, regardless to whatever tokens you have, it really doesn't matter if you don't protect what you have. And the only way to protect what you have is to control what you have. The only way to do that is to get your own cold storage wallet. Now, Ledger, which is based in Paris, they're one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. Basically what you do is you take it off of your whatever exchange you have it on, whether it's Coinbase or whether it's crypto.com, whatever. You move it onto this. That way it cannot be stolen by someone like SBF or Do Kwon or any of these other bastards out here that have yet to be us being made aware of. Okay. Trust no one. Control what you have. Now you can even manage over 5,500 digital assets on your wallet, including NFTs. If you're in crypto, if you have at least $100 worth of crypto, for you not to have one of these is insanity. Look at here. You can even put your NFTs on there. I'm showing you now. Okay. Please be smart. There's the link in the description. It's also on our homepage. In addition to that, you can use our links to crypto.com. Actually, Lido is now listed on crypto.com. You can use the $25 to get some free Lido tokens. It's not on Coinbase yet, but you can sign up using our links and get some free crypto, Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever you want, up to $40. Get your free CryptoKernels. Well, your CryptoKernels merch as well. It's not free, but support the channel. If this video has been of value to you and our channel as a whole, you can contribute with any ERC20 token to our address in the description or sending a super thanks. It all goes back into our channel and back to you. In the meantime, watch as much as you can, learn as much as you can, get in there and make it happen.